You bought a domain. Maybe you've been thinking about launching a blog, setting up an online store, or just claiming your name before someone else does. But now that you own it, what's next? That's exactly what I'll break down in this video. Step by step, no fluff. We'll go through everything from domain protection to web hosting, setting up WordPress, and installing the right plugins to make sure your website is fast, secure, and optimized. By the end of this video, your domain won't be just a name, it'll be a fully functional website. So first things first, let's talk about privacy. When you register a domain, your personal details like your name, email, and phone number are publicly listed in Whois database. That means anyone can look it up, and if you don't want random spam emails, sales calls, or worse, you need to enable Whois protection. This feature hides your personal information and replaces it with your registrar's details, keeping your privacy intact. If you're using Bluehost, enabling Whois protection is simple. Just log into your Bluehost account, go to the privacy settings, and turn it on. Some registrars offer it for free, while others charge a small fee, but it's absolutely worth it to avoid spam and security risks. Your domain is just the address of your website, but it still needs a home. That's where web hosting comes in. Think of it like a renting space on internet to store all your website files, images, and content. Without hosting, your domain is just a name with nothing behind it. There are different types of hosting, and the right one depends on your needs. If you're just starting out and expect low traffic, shared hosting is a great budget-friendly option. But if you're running a large website with higher traffic, dedicated hosting or cloud hosting might be the better choice. For this tutorial, I'm using Bluehost as it's super beginner friendly and setting it up is straightforward. Just go to Bluehost's website, pick a plan, create an account, and complete the payment process. Once that's done, your website officially has a home. Now that you have hosting, it's time to build your site. You have two choices here. You can either build it from scratch, but that requires coding knowledge and a dedicated developer. Or you can use WordPress, which powers over 40% of all the websites, makes the process simple, even if you have zero technical skills. Installing WordPress is super easy with Bluehost. Just log on to your hosting dashboard, find the WordPress installer, and click Install. Once that's done, you'll see a WordPress dashboard, which is where you'll manage everything: your site's design, plugins, pages, and settings. Now that WordPress is installed, it's time to make your website look good and function properly. The first thing you'll want to do is choose a theme. Inside your WordPress dashboard, go to the Appearance section, select Themes, and browse through the options until you find the one that fits your style. Once you activate a theme, your site will instantly take on its design. If you don't see anything that fits your needs here, then check out this video where we show how to add 1,000+ themes to your site for free. But a website isn't just about looks. A speed optimization plugin is crucial because over time, every website starts to slow down. The best free option is Airlift because it's lightweight and requires almost no setup. If you want premium performance for free, then Airlift does a great job for most sites. And even if something doesn't work, then you can hit up 24/7 support and they'll help you out. Now, to make your site functional and ready for your viewers, your site will have these essential needs to function properly. I'll share the best free options for each requirement, and I'll add links for all the plugins in the description below, or watch this video for more information.